Marie Kondo started reading housewives' magazines from the age of 5 and fell in love with the order and beauty of the well-organized spaces she saw in them. Then, from the age of 15, she began studying tidying seriously. She started with her own bedroom and then moved onto her siblings' bedrooms. Using her KonMari technique, she now runs a highly successful business in Tokyo, helping others do the same. Through her bestseller, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, Marie has helped people from all over the world transform their cluttered homes into spaces of beauty, peace, and inspiration. The first step before you can begin to tidy up is to visualize your dream life in your dream space. Might you want your life to be more luxurious, comfortable, earth-friendly? A tidy environment is one where you can efficiently access the things you need and like, which is why it's so important to first recognize what it is that you want. One of Marie's clients in her exercise found that she wanted a more feminine lifestyle. Her vision saw her coming home from yoga to a room free of clutter, as tidy as a hotel suite. Before going to her bed with a pink bedspread and antique lamp, she would take a relaxing bath and enjoy the sound of classical music and the scent of aromatic oils, and would finally fall asleep in total ease. Your space should be filled with the things that you truly love. Choose belongings that will reflect your vision. Marie's client may find love in wearing lacy lingerie, but turning old clothes into pajamas reflects somebody else's, more pragmatic vision. Going through your things, you may discover old passions that bring you closer to your ideal life. Tidying is more than just keeping a clean house. In its process, you can use the things from your past to help guide you into the future. When you begin, start with the easiest categories: clothes, books, documents, miscellaneous items, and then end with your sentimental items, which are the most difficult because of the sheer volume and emotional value. Keepsakes from your past should bring you joy when you look at them. Keep those that capture happy or exciting memories. Keep the ones you remember taking and relive the excitement of that moment. For those you don't want, consider offering them to people that may enjoy them, like your parents. Documents rarely succeed in guiding your future, and the same with books unless your vision includes a large library. Realistically assess their purpose according to your current needs and see if they've outlived their usefulness. One of Marie's clients, after cleaning her bookshelf, discovered that the books that remained were mostly on social welfare. So she quit her job in IT, went back to school and started a successful babysitting company. The most important part is the part where you let things go. Many people struggle with this the most when they reach the miscellaneous category. To make it easier, start with personal, clearly defined categories such as CDs and DVDs, skincare products, accessories, and then work your way to more general things like household equipment and supplies, kitchen goods, and the like. Communicate with your house and your possessions. See your relationship with it. You will gain a more intuitive feeling and will make the project feel smoother and more natural. Ask the object, what is your purpose? Has your purpose been filled? Be clear about this and be willing to get rid of things that have outlived that purpose. If you hesitate in your answer, for example with a half-read novel, the purpose was the experience of the story, and if your intention to finish the experience waned, then you probably won't get back to it. Be grateful for it and let it go. Miscellaneous belongings that you keep just because are very common causes of clutter. If you come across an object that you're emotionally attached to, think of the ways it contributes to your life. Does looking at it make you happy? Does it ever get seen? If it's been stored away for a long time, chances are it's not as important to you than you think. For example, gifts and greeting cards have the purpose of conveying gestures from friends and loved ones to show you they care. But once this message has been conveyed, isn't it time to let them go? When re-surrounding yourself with your loved belongings, changing the way you tidy can have profound effects, not just on your happiness, but on your ability to take action. For many, this is the first step towards grasping control of their lives. Strive for visual order and simplicity when organizing and storing, and consider how you feel whenever you look or use your belongings in the surrounds you've created for them. Start with your wardrobe. Organize your clothes that is most appealing to you. You can hang them by size, with the shortest on one side and longest on the other, or arrange them by color or fabric. If it is visually appealing, it will create feelings of comfort and lightness. It will also rid you of the stress of searching through clutter, and decisions around the house become more intuitive and straightforward. No one is born messy. Abandon the negative self-perception, and instead strive for perfection when visualizing your tidy living space. Your decisiveness at home will spread to other areas of your life, and once you've achieved this vision, you will feel like you can do anything as long as you put your mind to it. Maintaining a tidy home is a lifetime effort only if you are thinking about it the wrong way. If you organize your space to embody your dream lifestyle, maintaining tidiness will feel like how a car enthusiast does when polishing his car. Then you will only ever have to do it once in your life. But understandably, it is a long and exhaustive journey, so leave a good deal of time to complete it. On average, it takes Marie 6 months to tidy a client's house. This special event will serve as a crucial and sudden change in your life, the fresh start on the path to your ideal life, so approach it with the respect it deserves. When Marie works in a client's home, she begins by kneeling on the floor and offers a silent greeting out of respect. Even her clothes, usually a dress and a blazer, embody the respect that she shows for the space. Then when the project is done, your day-to-day relationship is just as important. Every day Marie greets and thanks her house. Every day she completely empties the contents of her bag and puts each item in a specific place. And when entering her home, she takes off her shoes and thanks them for their work. Tidying your life is simple. Decide what you want to keep and discard the rest. Translated as, keep what makes you happy and throw away the rest. But achieving this asks you to search deep. You need to first figure out what kind of life you want to live, and then it's up to you to create the space that reflects this.